Check out this IKEA Hemnes shoe cabinet with 2 compartments. Hey there, it's Kevin and I do honest and unbiased reviews and hope you'll give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So this is an amazing cabinet. You have a drawer up top that you can put some things in, like some small storage items in the drawer. It's pretty wide. It's, probably like about a foot wide in terms of, a foot deep at least, in terms of what you can bring out. And then these 2 compartments are essentially shoe cabinets that you can put shoes in, you can put other clothes in as well. And they pop open just like that so that they will go outwards this way. And it's very simple to set up as well. Once you are up against the wall, you can just place it like this and, you screw something into the wall so that you are, keep it upright. Again, it's just an amazing little cabinet space that we have here. And it's great for storage, it's great for putting shoes in, it's great for just having something that you are considering, something that you want to have some clothes in for sure. So I hope you enjoyed this review and I'll see you next time.